All right, so let's talk about making a bar graph or a histogram. This is another interactive item type. All right, so I'm going to click on charting, and this will let the kids answer a question by making a chart. Let's see, make a chart to represent this data. I'm just going to give the kids a list of the data. Let's see, let's say 11 of Mrs. Martinez's students were absent 0 to 5 times. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that and say that 4 of them were absent 6 to 10 times. And copy and paste it again. Let's say that 3 of them were absent 11 to 15 times, and that 1 was absent more than 15 times. There we go. So we've got our data there. Now let me click continue. Aha, okay, and now I have a chart that's not created yet. This is where the students are going to be able to create a chart to represent this data. First, I need to get things set up for them. Let's see, on my x-axis labels, I'm going to label this for them 0 to 5. Hang on, there we go. And then 6 to 10. And then 11 to 15. And you noticed I don't have enough bars right now. I'll need to add another label. More than 15. There we go. And then for my x-axis title, I'm going to call that number of absences. And let's call the title Mrs. Martinez's attendance. Okay. And then on our y-axis, we'll have the number of students in each category. So I'll put number of students there. Now, sometimes you might need to change your maximum. I have 11 students who are absent 0 to 5 times, so a maximum of 10 is not going to be high enough. I think I'll make it a maximum of 15, and let's see how that looks. Yeah, that should work. The snap interval will cause the graph to snap at the by counting numbers of 1. That's important. That means that if I click at the 11, the graph is going to be right there. It's going to click right at 11. Let's see, what are my numbers? 11, 4, 3, and 1. So this is what a kid will have to do to get this right. There we go. So you can see how that snap interval of 1 is making it very easy for me to click in exactly the right spot. My labels look good. My title looks good. This is what I want a student to create when they see this data. Okay, and once again, so this would be the standard over histograms. Let's see, here we go, 6.12a. And we'll go ahead and create that and preview it to see what it looks like. And it's so wonderful to have a self-grading histogram question. Let me make this tab a little bit bigger so that we can get over there. And I'll click the I to preview it. And this is what the students will see when they see this problem. And they will click in the appropriate spot to make the bar the correct height. Pretty nifty. So that's how we make a bar graph or histogram question in Eduphoria.